This is question number 3 for our October midterm exam for Form 6. Given as y is equal to 5x square minus 10x plus 9 divided by x minus 1 square, we have to find dy over dx in simplified form. So dy over dx is denominator is x minus 1 square, so means power 4, x minus 1 square, then differential of numerator, so this is 10x minus 10 minus, then numerator, that is 5x square minus 10x plus 9, and differential of x minus 1 square, so that is 2x minus 1. So this is, we have to prove x minus 1 cube, so we can see that x minus 1 is common, x minus 1. So what we have is x minus 1, 10x minus 10 minus 5x square minus 10x plus 9 multiplied by 2 and divided by x minus 1 to the power 4. So this x minus 1 is cancelled by 3. So we have got what is in the denominator. Now this is, we multiply this 10x square minus 10x minus 10x plus 10 minus 5 times 2 is 10x square minus minus plus 10 times 2 is 20x minus plus is minus 9 times 2 is 18 over x minus 1 cube. So that is equal to, this is 10x square minus 10x square minus 10x is 20x, and this is plus 20x, cancel. 10 minus 18 is 8 over x minus 1 cube. So it means k is equal to minus 8, which is a constant. It was not a difficult question, it was easy question, but you are supposed to be careful while calculating or multiplying these terms. So this one is question number 4, and that is, the point P lies on the curve with equation x is equal to, so it is given that x is equal to 4y minus sine 2y square. This question is not given in this form, that y is equal to 4x minus sine 2x square. So you cannot, if a question is like this, you find dy over dx. But if a question is like this, you have to find, if integrate, you have to find dx over dy. So let's see what the question says. Point P has xy coordinate. So let's assume that this is a curve, and and P is a point on it. And this coordinate is P and pi over 2. Find the exact value of P. So we have to find the exact value of P. So we replace x by P and y by pi over 2. So it's going to be x is P is equal to 4y minus sine 2y square. So P is equal to 2 pi minus sine pi is 0. Sine 0, sine 90, sine 180 is 0. So P is equal to this square. So P is equal to 4 pi square. Find the exact value of P. So we are not going to calculate it further. So P is equal to 4 pi square. That is the first part of it. Now what he's asking is the tangent to the curve at P cuts y-axis at point A. Suppose this is a tangent. And this is, say this is the coordinate. It's just a rough idea. It's saying cuts y-axis at point A. So this is y-axis, it is intersecting it at A. Use calculus to find the coordinate of A. Now we have to find this coordinate. So if we find the equation of this line and put y is equal to 0, we may find. So for that we have this point. So the coordinate of point P is 4 pi square and pi over 2. These are the coordinates. And we have to find dy over dx. So we are having here x is equal to 4y minus, let me write here, x is equal to 4y minus sine 2y square. So I'm going to find dx over dy. So dx over dy is equal to 2 4y minus sine 2y to the power 2 minus 1 is 1. Then differential of 4y is 4. Sine 2y is cos 2y and 2. Now this value at, this is, so dy over dx So are we going to write y is equal to or x is equal to? So dy over dx is equal to 1 over 2 4y minus sine 2y 4 minus 2 cos 2y. So add x is equal to 4 pi square. We don't have x, so y is equal to pi over 2. So dy over dx will be, hope you understand why we are not able to put this value here. So dy over dx is equal to 1 divided by 2 4 pi over 2 minus sine 2 pi over 2, then 4 minus 2 cos 2 y is pi over 2. So that is equal to dy over dx is equal to 1 over, this cancel, 2, this is 2 pi minus 2 and 2 cancel, sine pi is 0. So this is 2 pi minus 0 is just 2 pi. Then 4 minus 2 cos 2 and 2 cancel, cos pi is minus 1, so this is plus. So it is going to be so that is going to be 1 over, this is 6 times 4, 24 pi. So the equation of tangent that is y minus y1 pi over 2 is equal to 1 over 24 pi x minus x1 is what they are asking is find the coordinates of A. So we know that A is on y-axis, so x will be 0, so we have to calculate y. So y is equal to, this is going to be 0, so y will be minus 4 pi square over 24 pi minus, it will come plus pi over 2. This pi cancel, 4 times 6 is 24, that is minus pi over 6 plus pi over 2. If I make it 6, I multiply it by 3, so that is 6, 3 pi minus pi, 2 pi. So this is pi over 3. So the coordinate of A will be 0 and pi over 3. So this is the solution for this question.